Kamara mora maintie jara madolo TV en kinde makare. Maindi en chama ku marwach koranje fuloma. Kauri chema ka wono dwarango weche mag ikruok ni yiero e kind IEBC ka achiel kod jochung' koni kod kocha. An je fulomba kara lo kimiche. Arwa ki jata. Mo soganda wa maneno lolwe.
Erokamano ahinya ani Professor Luke Calvin Misama an jatelo maru madwaro kom mar governor mar Homa Bay County to mokwongo agone atimo mos ne family mar molal Major General Kanseri manyotho e magafla ma okong'eyo gimanyo otimre. Omiyo an kaka achiel kuom jotelo akuya ahinya kod oganda mamoko me Kenya to kendo moloyo timo mos ahinya ne family mar man Kaiseri.
Erokamano nya jatelo ruaki ka indike ndo chiemo kono do weche mano timore joma mokalo mano ka wach mar ballot papers mane iloso Dubai ne obedo cancel kono wach ni mono miyo chako oket tena no rumenye ne paro ni wach ni kaka ing'amo lonyo weche mag chik en wach minyalo wachna
mokwongo aparo ni court no amua maber nikech weche mag printing mag ballot papers nyoko timore maber nikech IBC nyocha otamo participation mar jopiny to katiba mar Kenya kata chike ma osiro weche mag yiero dwaro ni jopiny omi thuolo mondo oket pachgi kaka gidwaro ni gik moko timre nikech mani contract mar pesa mang'eny billions ok onego bed ni IBC amua kende ni omiye ng'at achiel kata kambi achiel mondo olos gigo ka ok owinjo kaka jopiny dwaro kata jogo endo ma weche go nyalo affect one way or the other. Omiyo naparo ni court nyotimo a very bold decision to cancel the tender for printing of ballot papers, particularly for the presidential. Kenda paro ni nyogitimo maber mar tamruok ketho mamoko nikech luenya ahinya nitie presidential kanye ma ukoro osebedo katimore mang'eny for the last 10 years, past 10 years or even more. Adieri ok osebedo ahinya weche mag printing of ballot papers.
Mano ne gitimo maber.
Ana siro
manyo ka wach nyari ka irango to jo siasa kotene gi kod kir ka achiel kod jalop mare wacho ni gichayo doho ka giwacho ni gichocho chenro mag IEBC. Iparo ni mai ndiko nego be ni gidonjore to IEBC ka achiel kod dogi ni independent institutions. Ang'o miyo giwelo gi ni ichocho chenro mag IEBC?
Sama nyocha opposition makata an achiel kuom opposition nikech I'm an independent candidate kaka ing'eyo kanyo wayuak ni nitie gik motim ma hinyowa nyogeleng nyo wadhi mane doho kata opposition particularly Nasha the other people machalo kaka presidential candidate mamoko nyo dhi doho nikech nyo giyuak to piny owacho nyo chalo joma nyo celebrate. They were happy nikech for them nyo gineno ni konyruok margi dhi wuok e ballot papers ko bedo printed Dubai. Momiyo sani ginwang'o ni koro yore tema nyo giparo odin nikech mokwongo wacho ni ka jopiny ogo kura kako kwan gi e kituo mogoye kura no result go final onge ni chairman mar IBC ema dhi lando kata chenjo gi koro mano be nyo en ukora manyo kuone nyalo timore go koro mano nyocho sedin mo mar ariyo manyo koro gi tegemeo margi maduong' nyen gigi mondo be printed Dubai kumanyo ging'e ni ukora nikech joka bende kata owachi court nyo amua ni onge evidence nitie certain evidence manyalo bede to mondikele court to prove is not easy ma any Kenya one gi legal system are follow mar jo Britain but in Britain in Scotland gi three aspects nitie karaki plead inyalo wacho ni in guilty or not guilty but they have a third one ni guilty but not proven. It's like there is a smoke but you're not seeing the fire. That does not mean there is no fire. So the fact evidence had not been produced in court does not prove completely there is no link between this printing firm in Dubai with the family mother president. It doesn't clear that. Koronyano kakot nyowachone they dismissed that application mar NASA and other interested parties, but they found printing of these ballot papers without the participation of the public rings a bell. There is something. Koromi aparoni it's one opportunity IBC kabuno niye neno ni mundo giluong 8 presidential contenders mondo decide which way forward. I think that is a very healthy process. Manone gubene gisetimo earlier on, but they ignored it, thinking by going the way they were going that it was illegal. I think they also overstretched. They, too far. They went too far. Koro, I'm happy. Today they have invited the contenders, the 8 contenders, to actually give their part of the story and move forward together, and that would be healthy for the country. Yeah.
Koro meneno ne watch mar ballot papers and kadi bedni o lose kujo to ne weche moko nyalo beti mara piny kata weche mag
a lot can be said. Yeah, there are a lot of things which could have been done. Okay. A matter of this magnitude, Nikech, is very emotive. It's a very emotional manner. Yes. They were very angry, and that was very unusual. No, it proved there is something. It is something sinister that was probably in the offing. But given that is not going to be, it is natural that they had to do it that way. But I think it violates the separation of powers. The independence of the judiciary should be respected, ought to be respected by everybody. Nikech, all of us, there is a joke, in Kenya, the only 2 institutions which are above the law, the matatu drivers and the president. That used to be in the past. Now everybody under the new constitutional order, everybody, including the matatu driver, even the president of the republic, we are all under the protection of the law. We have to respect the law and also those who administer the law.
Kaigole ya pisma du marakel titere ne judiciary mano misona dongruok maro ka piny mar Kenya ne kapita
no aparone ker nyoboth. People have spoken, political commentators, legal commentators, and ordinary citizens. Such a thing was unfortunate. It should not have come from the person of the caliber of the President of the Republic of Kenya. More so the deputy even went further to besmirch the Chief Justice, alluding Ninyo Chowacho Gimoro Masho Niene pocket Marnasa, which was not the case. Actually, if one watches the clips of what the Chief Justice said when he was in Mombasa, he stared off any in political machination or shenanigans people can think or talk of. So I think it was a very deliberate and very unpolished statement coming from the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya attacking the Chief Justice. That is very unfortunate, and I think that they have realized in Kenya, people are very intelligent and you don't intimidate. People get intimidated. Under the former leadership of people like the retired President Moi. We are in a different Kenya where people have to be respected and the rule of law must prevail for us to move, because it is the same rule of law that gave them that mandate to be in the seat that they are enjoying now. When the people of the Republic of Kenya voted, they voted in accordance with the new constitutional dispensation, not according to the whims of any individual leader or any citizen within the Republic of Kenya. So everyone has to respect the rule of law and our constitution. Even if the things decided by Doho are not palatable to one, or they are palatable to one.
Awinji jaselo nyisane to independence mar Doho mawantire godo kaindi machalo ka Doho machalo ka IBC kachelo kod gune mathoth kisebet kinswa ne gin independent bodies entities kata institutions to ji wacho ni nitiere samoro jok ma nyalo interfere kod chenro margi. Paro ni ma be gimonego be ni yie to molo sani ka oganda dhi yiero. Well, IBC no bende un participants.
Yeah, IBC, I would want to believe that IBC is very independent, but I know they are going under tremendous pressure. Mondo Gio or arm twist to do certain things in the ideal sense they should not and they ought not to do. For instance, recently, I give a very good example. Nyocha kane list mag candidates obedo published by IBC in the Kenya Gazette. In Homa Bay, achiel kum jochumanyo wachungo muluor Joseph Oyugi Magwanga. Nyinge was curiously missing. I don't think ni IBC had intended that be. But in one Katawan individual citizen of the Republic of Kenya, particularly Jogo Mafil Nigin Gotada Marmuando Marpesa, they would want to negatively influence certain decisions by the IBC. It is not IBC themselves that would want to do so. The only person Nyarotamo Yadung Magwanga Chung and county returning officer in Homa Bay, unfortunately, county returning officer cleared Joseph Oyugi Magwanga to Chung. So, strangely enough, some individuals within our chose to maneuver through IBC to eliminate conveniently Joseph Oyugi Magwanga, which I think personally I condemn it. That is wrong. Competition of this nature,
yes.
It is healthy. Everybody, when you're paying emogo jotelo kogno, but Canada beni professor misa manigi pesa machalonade, I should not use it to disadvantage my worthy opponents. I should never do that. But I know there are people within our circle kumjia ngwen manyo chungi. Ma osibedoka timbene richo nikechone enonien gotada mar pesa to gotada mar power that be. They have been doing what they are doing. Even myself, before the nomination, every time keep published government, the Kenya Gazette, I applied to be an MCA in Homa Bay, and I'd never at any one time applied to be an MCA in the county of Homa Bay or in any other county in the Republic of Kenya. But strange enough, my name was appearing there.
I applied for MCA.
Yeah, I applied for MCA. Koro Nitiyo have been using certain individuals, and they know people, particularly within the IT department of IBC, to manipulate certain things to exclude other people whom they deem or perceive to be a challenge or a threat to their candidates.
Pero kama na inya Professor Luke, wapro de iwe kwa rugo tumbre de iwe chelo kachian korweche maga ikro ni yero mara dwe. Jara malolo tigo chakwa duwe thuolo marario. Maendi entieno mar kuku mar wachan hire kod jachung Homa Bay kaka independent candidate. Jama moko luongo gi ni achung kenda. Chung waro ko mar gavana mar Homa Bay. Arwaki stu.
Ero kamano.
Professor arwaki kendo.
Ero kamano.
Awinjo ka weche osebedo ka wacho rekoni kod kocha ni un jok mochung kaka independent candidate. Ang'o mamono bedo mos mondo mi ting moro uchung ne sani awinjo ka wach mar 6 piece no chako wuok e kenda mane ok kiwacho ni jok mochung kaka achunge na gin jok ma selfish, jok moko ikore mar konyo party ni thuolo pod nitie unyalo timo gik mathoth e party.
Jeff, mano en wach mamit kabisa. Independent candidate, katiba mar Republic of Kenya emano recognize NTA. Independent candidates are actually citizens of the Republic of Kenya. NGID mana kaka ngamuchungi ODM kata NASA kata Jubilee ni GID. Independent candidate they breathe mana oxygen mana kaka jomoko ka breathe oxygen. In fact, Kingiyo Yirma Korwadi Sani, the best candidates are independent candidates. Ma in Homa Bay, I would say independent candidates ngeny molo jogo ndo muchungi party. And moso party walungo ni ODM. Odmeinwa ilungega kamano ODM. Jomanyo ochung go ODM through primary nomination. Kata wui makoro sani wachungo sani kaka governor, the outgoing governor. Jeffado na nyisi ni an outgoing time neos expire by the constitution. My mommy wadi a year offices go are running, they are almost virtually vacant. Therefore, ngamanyo ko perform mabere thuru manyo meye. Manyo bido governor mamiel okmar tiyo ne jo penyo. Time ne is up. And there is no room. Period manyoni nyoen we had a governor Mar Miel.
Governor Mar Miel and governor.
Oh well, ano kawacho jopinye mu mie nyingno wan gi governor. Nyingo mo mie ne governor Mar Miel. Obera inye Miel. Maendeleo to no tiro Homa Bay County. Kata nyocha machiegni ka a campaign Homa Bay anongo no bag miel nikech giparo ni kikelo miel ni iketo ji gi miel nyaka pinyuru ni koro wigi bro wili nyocho ke imayo gi. That does not work.
That is what Mar Miel no yero bro fwenyo bange tukata kamano okudwaro mondo mi wa capitalize mano ahenya. Well, I'm not capitalizing on that. Gima time I explain and an independent candidate no perform. Therefore, this time around independent candidates are not independent all along kata in the past two elections. Nyocha kwayo kom Mar Senate 2013 as independent. 2015 during the by-election I chose there Kenona Kwayo Mbolu as independent. So I've been originally independent. 2015.
15. No kalalo. Gimote Morenea ngamachielo no oyer. Tomano does not mean money through democracy. I've been consistently independent. Mangato kikuond G ni Professor Misama ni Kiluonga ni Aswekra Katiba to wajo ni independent candidate. It is there in the constitution. So I am better off if given chance to perform better than Joma Paroni Jinjo party. Sanieni Pesa Marijo County for the last 5 years. Kingeo some of my word opponents. Ngata kiel the other day nyandewa. O campaign gimutok ni prauchiel. Being fuel. Mtoka kiel you use 10,000 to fuel those guzzlers.
Otioge pesa.
No otioge pesa Marijo paying. No, there is ample evidence. Otioge pesa jo paying ko campaign go. Koro pesa ni mane pesa manyone gubeni nioyen ne yotuo. So they are now using it. Awacho kata the other time nawacho muluor muageno kabisa Raila Odinga. I've never seen a convoy many giji 60 to 100. Koro governor Mar Homa Bay County kumaten kabisa. Ni luoro mtoki matinde gidongo to prove ni adiri nyochi kwalo kata nyochi mayo jo pay. It is not necessary. Omiyo awacho ni this time jo independent candidates man Homa Bay County. Ka ochawa ni wana swekra ni okwanyal adwa ni wanyis joma paro ni ginyalogo on August 8th it is our turn kiko make mistake jo pinbe kiko make mistake nikechukua make a mistake is only one day wabro regret for the next 5 years tero ngamwangioni o fail as a performer and now or hide behind having a huge campaign convoy. Kunde mangeny akelo dungu na yir jiburo ko ochungkara ni o campaign tuji
to donge tabu to onge ka to tiyo gi nyamburko pra uchiel kadi poni olo mafuta gi pesa ni
no onge pesa ne kwani eno chamo musara million dia it doesn't onge ma ngama tiyo gi civil servant mag county government Homa Bay ni ma campaign ma be onge very well that violates the law.
Pero como professor ni swali wacho na mapema 2013 ne temo 2015 bende temo
yes
to irwan unfortunately ne okay loko sani 2017 ngoma chak mi jing manyisi ni adieri ebe loko ni
Jeff and Remba ni siasa. I've been in politics for the last 34 years. Who fight ne democracy masani jokao for granted. Mulura henya jaduong Amolo ne wan go elweny in the early 80s. Mulur kendo Senator Rengo magi jo mwasebero kwa chandre nego this country. Because I'm not doing it for this election. Have been part and parcel of the political dispensation of this country for the past 34 years. So I'm not just somebody manu chira kawuno ni koradwaro. Jaduong wa Malura enya Amolo bosichung almost 3 times. To waeri Professor Msama bosichung that long. Omio an bende awacho ni chieng mawaduoka Molo mwarwaka Molo in August aboro ochiko ka nationally Professor Misama bendo ni godonjo Homa monda ta pay for the next 5 years jimamoko karasani nyawinjo ka jomoko ni to professor I campaign man media I'm on the ground in fact I've been on the ground I'm not starting campaign kalamana senator kajua makoro mabaya luoro nyo donje siasa yudakane siasa
isebe the ground
katamana governor Awiti kanyo donje siasa oyude siasa
yachoni omenda ubiro go motia un kaka independent candidates ne sami oganda buok ni un go omenda mathoth ahinya kudhi campaign e kuchichote koro chal ne wacho ni ogingi alito omenda ma jo independent candidates biro go gi wacho ni samoro duber ni un kamor une riwruok moro ma ok oganda
Jeff ana nyisi Gudoganda antiendo ba maraj maka ngato wacho ni an gomenda mang'eny fact de jo mabeyo emani kokakwayo gini miya timna usolro the same way I've been campaigning. I've always used my own personal resources. Even I have plenty of friends. Kata, you are my friend. Others may be my friends elsewhere. I've never even asked them. Nimia will donation karama 2 shillings. I've never done that. But that does not say ni ayudo pesa from anywhere. The same way I've been campaigning. Karamna sani kumjoma chung. I would say I would be the least financed. In fact, many people move volunteer katamana jomari ambo boda. There are so many more actually helping with the campaign. Nyan katamana chula mori ungo ne remba. Ordinary people support. I've never received any payment from any organization. Moso karamana jo ODM majodala wage poknomi ya karamana ndururu ni professor waeri to okin kodo to wamiye karasiling e prabich temgo
to majito na okayo bedo gi soruru mar chuni ini inyale kendi nade
no anyale keno ni kechi nyasayo era ogwedha yeah lueta in its own way lueta nyasayo ogwedho matin man gono emathembo to pokabe I'm not supported ge Jubilee, I'm not supported ge NASA, I'm not supported anybody. Koro it is not true. Could be others maybe will supported and kechangeni kumjomachung. We are only 2 people in Homa Bay independent. Yugi Magwanga is independent. I don't know. He has been a member of parliament. Therefore one cannot say he doesn't have money. To katakopo ni jomoko solo ni I don't know, I cannot talk about it. But ngamangeo ni endowed resources mag county wa kendo tiyogo sani yo marach makatanyo otemo dino ne jomoko ni kiko bede ballot paper jo piny bong'eyo ana wuon adona wach ni kenda ng'eyo kata many independent candidates nitie kata jaduong' moro chung' ma Baytown iluongo ni Moluor Agola nyo kata jomoko temo bage dhao kuwe platform somewhere. I think it is wrong. Leaders will learn to respect other leaders kata kuweye gini magewacho or what they stand for, but it is bad mondo wa encourage form of violence against other
leaders. Professor ire wacho ne dio senyini ni campaign mana media okiwie ground wacho ngogik ne jo
I don't want to watch it is not true near campaign and media. A campaign, in fact, Jeff, I say cover more than 3/4 of Homa Bay County. Cover physically. Yeah. In fact, I've campaigned more with less resources. I've touched many places. Makunde mapokadhi majimanya are very few. Kenda ng'eyo ni abro dhi chope kapo ochopo tarik 8. Omiyo an gima kwayo ni achung' kaka independent kenda alama mara magombo ni jopiny ong'e an achung' kaka akuru marachar. Akuru marachar kisungu luonge ni Raven. Winyo moro mane okelo report maber bang'
winyo maler.
Winyo maler. Koro mane alama mara omiyo chieng' tarik 8 jothurwa manyura akuru maler mane Professor Luke Medo Misama mane alama maro miyo manyuru akuru maler kendo umiya ombolo abro tiyonu kaka governor abro tiyo gogendni te gi jotelo moyier kendo abro timo dongruok e county mar Homa Bay kaka nyocha sewacho kata diere moko kata in my manifesto achano ni ka bedo governor adwa na improve educational systems in Homa Bay County, more so at Gomba Henyan Wabede kod a university chartered within Homa Bay County. In all counties in Nyanza, only Homa Bay County maongegi a public or private university. Jomoko nyowacho ni ntiere some center ma idwa chaki ene Tomboya University. In fact, it's not a chartered one. Koro wadwaro under my leadership abro kelo make that university be a reality, and also abro dwaro ni P wadak around Lake Victoria to county Homa Bay e masafa alone kunde mang'eny onge pi kata kedhe kata mana areas machalo kaka Karachuonyo kunde mang'eny onge pi maler ma ji modho kata tiyo kata mana Homa Bay town nitie problem mar water. Koro abro dwaro ni wabed kod P machopo kunde mang'eny within the county. And apart from that, I intend to revive agricultural we mechanize agriculture so that the key to economic and food security Marwa will rely heavily on agriculture from within Homa Bay County.
Erokamanya Professor. Wani erokamana kumka utulu mari marichoba chiera kachiera ne Uganda. Iwacho ni intere ground montego. Ageno ne kocho botari kaboro gine magi probedo jomadu. Kagieri kaka gavana wanu kwa ni mana maber maniti maber. Ka giero ng'at machielo yo maler ageno ni un bende ubro yie mondo mi osir ng'ano lwedo mondo uti ne Uganda duto mabuki Homa Bay County.
Erokamano Jeff, ago erokamano ahinya.